Hi, today this teacher will explain about the way of filling the worksheet in Student Information System.
Hello, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Let's watch how to fill the worksheets in bulk upload of Student Information System. First of all, it is recommended to read and understand the manual which is available in the website shown in the screen.
Exactly. It is very important to understand about the information which is provided in the manual.
First of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of template. It is recommended to download the latest version of template.
Exactly. There may be some updates on the templates. It is recommended to download the latest version always.
Okay, when you open the Excel file, there you can see 3 worksheets. The first worksheet named as Insert Students. This worksheet only used to add new students' information. Now, let's watch how to fill the information of new students in the Insert Students worksheet. Here, you can notice that there are many fields which you need to provide for new students. And also, you can notice that there is a sample record added. Hope this sample record will give you an idea of the way of filling the information of students. Further, there are some instructions given above the each and every fields. Read those instructions carefully and do what the instructions say. For an example, under the student's personal information, it says, select M or F from the drop-down. If so, you must select only from the drop-down icon and select. Don't ever try to type there instead of selecting it. It is very important thing you need to consider when you filling the worksheets. Here once again I remind you, use the drop-down menu to select options. Do not copy and paste from another source or from Excel sheet downloaded. Do not use any Excel sheets other than downloaded sheet from the system. All the date format should be YYYYMDD. For an example, the date can be 1996-12-12. If you have 12-digit national ID card number, just right-click the ID cell and select Format Cell. Then select the fraction from the message box. Now, click on OK button. Now you can see the whole 12 numbers in the cell. Now, let's watch how to add subjects into the worksheet. When filling optional subjects in grade 1 to 5, mathematics, environmental related activities and English should not be entered as optional subjects. You should enter the following subjects into the template as optional subjects. First language, Sinhala, or Tamil. Second language, Sinhala, or Tamil. Religion, Buddhism, or Christianity, or Catholicism, or Hinduism, or Islam. When filling optional subjects for grade 6 to 9, English, history, practical and technical skills should not be entered as optional subjects. You should enter the following subjects into the template as optional subjects. First language, Sinhala, or Tamil. Second language, Sinhala, or Tamil. Religion, Buddhism, or Christianity, or Catholicism, or Hinduism, or Islam. Mathematics, or Mathematics, EM. Science, or Science, EM. Health and physical education, or Health and physical education, EM. Aesthetic subjects, Western music, or Western music, EM, or music, Oriental, or music, Carnatic, or art, or dancing, Oriental, or dancing, Bharata, drama and theater, EM. Geography, or geography, EM, or life competencies and civic education, or life competencies and civic education, EM, or entrepreneurship studies, EM. Information and Communication Technology, or Information and Communication Technology, EM. Business and Accounting Studies, or Business and Accounting Studies, EM. Pali, Sanskrit, French, German, Hindi, Japanese, Arabic, Chinese, Russian, Korean. When filling optional subjects in grade 10 to 11, English, history, practical and technical skills should not be entered as optional subjects. You should enter the following subjects into the template as optional subjects. Mathematics, or Mathematics, EM. First language, Sinhala, or Tamil. Science, or Science, EM. Religion, Buddhism, or Christianity, or Catholicism, or Hinduism, or Islam. And basket subjects. There are 3 groups of basket subjects. Basket subjects Group 1, Geography or Geography EM, Business and Accounting Studies, or Business and Accounting Studies EM, Entrepreneurship Studies, or Entrepreneurship Studies EM, Pali. Sanskrit, second language Sinhala, or second language Tamil, French, German, Hindi, Japanese, Arabic, Chinese, Russian, Korean, Citizenship Education and Governance, or Citizenship Education and Governance EM. Basket subjects, Group 2. Music Oriental, or Music, Carnatic, or Art, or Dancing Oriental, or Dancing, Bharata, Drama and Theatre, or Drama and Theatre EM. Western Music, or Western Music EM, Appreciation of Sinhala Literary, Appreciation of English Literary, Appreciation of Tamil Literary, Appreciation of Arabic Literary. Basket subjects, Group 3. Information and Communication Technology, or Information and Communication Technology EM, Agriculture and Food Technology, Design and Mechanical Technology, Design and Construction Technology. Arts and Crafts, Home Economics, Health and Physical Education, or Health and Physical Education EM, Communication and Media Studies. Likewise for grade 12 to 13 and 13 years program, how you should fill in the worksheet is provided very clearly in the website shown in the screen.
Yes, all the information are available in the website, and also just while ago he explained all the things from the website too. Isn't it?
Yes, of course. I explained everything from the manual. You also refer the manual once again and understand it very clearly. If you have any queries, please contact National Education Management System NEMIS branch of Ministry of Education. You call directly to 0112784837.
Or you can send email to nsis.moe@gmail.com.
It is recommended to follow official Facebook page of Data Management Branch of Ministry of Education through this web link shown in the screen to get updates. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.
Yes. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye bye.